Touchless Sanitizer Dispenser. This contactless hand sanitizer circuit facilitates the user to access the sanitizing liquid on hands automatically, without the need of operating or touching the sanitizer bottle pump manually. The feature ensures that viruses have no chance of spreading through physical touching of the sanitizer bottle and its operating parts. However, to be automatic, the system will require some kind of sensor to detect the presence of a human or a human hand under the dispenser unit. For this we employ the most basic sensor unit, which is the IR, or infrared device. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a touchless hand sanitizer dispenser using Arduino Uno and IR sensor module. Here is the connection diagram of this project. IR sensor module works on 5-volt power supply. IR sensor module has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. Connect the VCC pin with the 5-volt pin, ground pin with the ground pin, and output pin with pin number 7 of Arduino. Relay module works on 5-volt power supply. It has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and input. Connect the VCC pin with 5-volt pin, ground pin with the ground pin, and input pin with pin number 11 of Arduino. DC water pump has 2 terminals, positive and negative. Connect the positive terminal with the normally open pin of relay, and connect the negative terminal with the ground pin of 9-volt battery. Connect the common pin of relay with the positive supply of 9-volt battery. This is the code of our project. Sensor state is an integer type variable. It will be used in the program to store the status of input pin. Initially we have set its value to 0. Void setup is a function we want to run once, as soon as the program starts running. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the relay connected at pin number 11. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin. We will read the status of the sensor connected at pin number 7. So we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Sensor state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable sensor state. If sensor state value is low, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11, and relay will turn on. It shows that there is a hand in front of the sensor, so Arduino will turn on the pump. If sensor state value is high, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11, and relay will turn off. It shows that there is no hand in front of the sensor. Now write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. Then save the program. Now check the code for any error by pressing this check button. If code is correct, then upload it to the Arduino hardware board. For this, connect the Arduino board with laptop or computer using a USB cable. Now go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Then press this arrow button to transfer the code to the Arduino hardware. Our code is now transferred to the Arduino successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take a DC water pump, a red wire, and a PP3 battery connector. Connect the black wire of the pump with the black wire of PP3 battery connector. Connect the red wire with the red wire of the pump. Cover the joints with insulation tape. Now we will connect the water pump with relay module. We will connect red wire of the water pump with normally open pin of relay. We will connect the red wire of 9-volt battery with the common pin of relay module. Now we will connect a red wire at its VCC pin, black wire at its ground pin, and green wire at its input pin. Now we will take an IR sensor module and connect a red wire at its VCC pin, black wire at its ground pin, and yellow wire at its output pin. Now we will join the red wires of relay and IR module with each other. Now connect the red wire of the sensor with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now connect the black wire of the relay module with the ground pin, and green wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. When we put our hands in front of the sensor, then IR rays will reflect from our hands and received by the photosensor. After sensing the hand, the dispenser pump turns on and supply the sanitizer. When we take our hands away from the sensor, then Arduino turns off the pump. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.